our new P5000 8-foot paver series. So this is something that's been long in development. It's part of our heritage with the Blawnox paver line that Volvo has, and we're very excited to be bringing this new 8-foot series to the market, and it's also going to give us the broadest range of highway pavers in the market. So for the introduction to this, I'd like to turn it over to Bob Bagley in Shippensburg. Bob?
Good morning from Shippensburg. Ray, can you hear me okay?
Yes, we can.
Okay, great. Well, thank you for giving me a couple of minutes to introduce to you the P5000. I want to start to walk around with the engine itself. It is a Volvo D6 5.7 liter Tier 4 final, 173 horsepower engine. What makes it unique is the fact that it actually comes on 6 cylinders versus just 4 cylinders, making us the only one in the market to offer it in a 6-cylinder basis. As I like to say, is there's no replacement for displacement. Another thing to think about with this specific engine is the fact that it is a common engine already used on Volvo's L60 through L90 wheel loaders, as well as 5 different excavator models. What that means is improved parts commonality and therefore better usage. Okay. The engine itself comes with a full-time adaptive power engine control. And notice I said that that's full-time. There's no need to switch over into an eco mode. There's no separate switch. It's always on. Whenever it's idling and heating up the screed, it operates at a low 1200 RPM. When it's paving, 1500 RPM. Those low engine RPMs mean a very low noise level and thus fatigue on the operators. So 79.2 dBA is the average noise level whenever we're paving. Okay. Additionally optional is an auto shutdown for anti-idling. What this does is prevent machine hour buildup and also excessive idle and fuel consumption. Okay. If we move over toward the consideration given to serviceability, one of the things that was really thought through was ground level access. Fuel fill, def fill, all the daily maintenance checks, as well as filters are all accessible by way of ground level access. Looking up at the driveline of the Powertrain, the machine comes standard with a 2-wheel drive. Also available is an optional 4-wheel drive and 6-wheel drive front wheel assist to improve that automatic torque engagement. The bogies are independently suspended. Likewise, it offers a pivot steer and a Positrack system. If we walk around to the front machine, let's talk a little bit about material flow through the machine. One of the first things to pick up on notice right away is this thick 1-inch rolled steel hopper wing. This robust hopper wing does 2 things. First of all, you'll notice the large radius on the outside of this. What that radius does is promotes material flow from the outside of the hopper into the conveyor, very substantially improving cleanup time at the end of the day. Second thing is, because it is as massive as it is heavy weight. What that heavy weight provides us is the opportunity to no longer need to counterbalance the machine. There's no excessive counterweight in the front of the machine. The conveyor system and the auger system are controlled by 4 independent sonic sensors. What this does is gives you ideal material flow control by independently controlling each conveyor left to right, as well as each auger left to right. Additionally, we've included standard the traditional flow gates, which is an additional material flow mechanism preferred by a lot of operators. The conveyor floor pans are drop-in place. There's no need for use of the traditional threaded fasteners, which always get built up with asphalt, so that makes the maintenance a lot easier. The ends of the floor pans are also curved in nature, facilitating a smooth transition of the material drop into the auger, preventing mechanical segregation. Okay. Throughout the entire material flow system, seal bearings are used. Seal bearings prolong the life of the components. Likewise, it also allows to facilitate for planned rebuilds. If we walk around to the back of the machine, there's one other component for the material flow I want to touch on, and that is these large, robust, 32-inch hydraulic extended tunnels. Standard on the machine. Largest, most robust in the industry. Okay. If we move now to the screed, coming new with the tractor is also a new Ultimat 160 screed. Volvo continues its tradition of offering the only true double-width screeds in the industry. The Ultimat 160 is a true 8-foot to 16-foot power extendable screed without the use or without the need of any bolt-on extensions. Okay. The screed offers a rapid heat-up cycle, Walkways are wide, deep, and foldable for transport. A lot of common part usage across the Ultimat 160 and the Ultimat 200, which is the screed often used on the P7000. Again, driving common parts usage. Several integrated storage for tools as well as for operator conveniences. Let's take a look up at the operator station. The first thing to notice is that there are actually two completely independent operator control stations, offering you a little bit of redundancy. Okay. The operator seat slides out, rotates. The operator console tilts down and rotates. In this position, this maximizes operator comfort. It likewise gives you complete unobstructed visibility to the hopper, as well as to the auger and screed area, and the overall worksite space. Keeping with Blahnock tradition, the operator deck height was kept as low as possible. This facilitates communication between the crew and the operator themselves. If you look at the control panel itself, it's very logically laid out. It's intuitively grouped by machine function and is in the position as it is on the Paver, making learning very easy to do. All of the switch provide tactile feedback, as well as their backlit to facilitate night paving. Features such as the one-touch prime for the auger system improve efficiency for setup, making your overall paving operation better. Last thing to touch on is, as was mentioned on some of the other machines, the P5000s come with complimentary 4-year subscription to CareTrack and then a 1-year subscription to Active Care Direct, providing you 24/7, 365 days a year machine monitoring, as well as creation of fleet utilization reports. That's the P5000.